everybody, today we're going to do a fun unboxing video. And interestingly, this has been a product that's been on my website before, and I recently got a chance to meet with the owner of CrateInsider, and I was able to check this out in person, so I'm really excited about showing you what's inside of this box. One thing that's pretty cool is, as I unbox this here, or as I open it up, we actually have a sticker on here that says proudly made in the USA. That's something that if I can find it, I will definitely love that. But what I want to tell you about the CrateInsider is I got a chance to sit in one of these here recently, and it was really amazing to me because when we look at this, we're going to open this up here, and hopefully we have some instructions, and if we don't, then I kind of have an idea of what we're doing here. What a CrateInsider is you can put this as an insert inside of your seat, and you can adjust it you can really cut it to fit your particular seat. But the big thing is the fact that especially with a dirt track, and you're going around a dirt track and you are constantly hitting that seat, that you can have a lot of compression that can happen in your spine. So this whole product was designed by sprint car racers who had that issue, and in order to prevent injuries for others. So you can see we've got, with this one, this is going to be the 20-inch back, and I see, oh, look at this, we've got these decals that you can put on the car that says CrateInsider equipped, pretty cool. And then we've got some instructions here that I'm gonna basically follow along with. And with this, you would measure beforehand and everything, but I'm just gonna put it together the way we have it right here. So we're gonna start off, we've got the seat portion. This is going to be the seat so that we can, so that you can have your seatbelt. You know, that's why we've got it shaped like that right here. And we're gonna rip open this Velcro. And just keep in mind, I have not done this before, so all of this part is pretty new for me. And we've got this part of the foam. Now this is the 2-inch version, and the way it comes is the 2-inch is we have one of them that's the 1-inch and then 2 half-inch pieces. And I'll tell you, like when I had first heard about this product, I really thought it was gonna be like a memory foam mattress or like an insole in your shoe, and then it really wouldn't do much, really. I mean, kind of cute and be padding, until I sat in one. And I was like, wow. And what you could even see is I could try, I don't wanna punch this, I don't think the table will handle it, but you know, even if I just push my hand into it, it recovers really quickly. The whole point of it is to absorb impact. And it's not going to be just a cushy thing, but it will absorb the impact in the case of, you know, all of the running around at the track that you're getting bounced around all the time. So we're gonna figure out how we slide this in here. Oh, it's all Velcro. Look at that. Okay, that is really slick. Great. This just made our lives easier. So now we can put the entire stack here. We've got this whole stack of the seat right here, and we're just gonna slide it in here. All right, now we have the seat part done, which is pretty exciting, and now it's time to do the back portion. All right, so there we go. And we've got a little bit of Velcro right here on this seat back. It's just gonna go right here. And now we have a full crash pad, 2 inches tall, 20-inch back. And then again, it'll make your seat more comfortable. And what I was really amazed at is even if you're a racer who drives like with your butt, you know, by how you feel the track, that's not going to change. It's just going to make it so that the impacts are not going to hit your spine nearly as roughly, and you know, not going to have those problems later on. So I'm really excited about bringing the CrateInsider into our store here, and we sell it in 2 different versions. It either has a 20-inch back or it has an 8-inch back, which would just be a lumbar support for you. So check it out. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in another one.